Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your problem when you're launching Valorant and it says enable TPM 2.0 and TPM 2.0 required. So how to fix this? Let's get started. First, go over to your BIOS mode and then select advanced mode. After this, click on advanced and then search for PCH FW configuration. Just click on this and open this and make sure it is set to enable firmware TPM. If it is not, just set it to this and then restart your PC. After this, hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.